In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your PayPal account number. We'll walk through this slowly so you know exactly where to click and what you're looking at. Before we start, make sure you already have a PayPal account and that you know your login details, because you'll need to sign in to see your account information. First, open your web browser and go to the PayPal website. Log in with your usual credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your PayPal dashboard, sometimes called the account summary page. This is the main page where you can see your balance, recent activity, and any quick links PayPal offers. From this dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the tab or menu item called Wallet. This is where PayPal keeps all your payment methods together, including your bank accounts and cards. Click on Wallet to open that section. After the Wallet page loads, you'll see a list of all the bank accounts and cards that are linked to your PayPal account. This might include your main bank account, maybe a savings account, and any debit or credit cards you've added. Take a moment to identify the specific bank account you want to view. The account name or the last few digits of the account number will usually be shown to help you recognize it. Next, click directly on the bank account you want the number for. When you select it, PayPal will open a more detailed view for that particular account. Here, depending on your country and bank, you may see things like the account type, the last digits of the account number, and possibly the routing or sort code details. Keep in mind that, for security reasons, PayPal may only display part of your account number, not the full thing. This is normal and is meant to protect your banking information. If you need the complete account number for something like a bank transfer, it's usually safer to check your online banking app or a bank statement directly. If you have more than one bank account linked, you can repeat this process for each one. Go back to the wallet page, choose a different account, and review its details. That's all there is to it. By going to your PayPal dashboard, opening your wallet, and clicking on the bank account you're interested in, you can quickly check the key details of your PayPal linked account whenever you